Top 5 Best Frying Pan Size 14-inch and Splash Guard. Number 5. Sautéing vegetables. This pan has a pre-seasoned surface that improves with each use, giving you a natural, non-stick cooking surface. The silicone splash guard fits snugly over the skillet, preventing grease and oil splatters while cooking. Check latest price. Visit the description link. Number 4. Frying pan features. This 14-inch non-stick frying pan from T-fal features their thermal spot technology, which indicates when the pan is perfectly preheated for cooking. The pan's durable non-stick surface provides easy food release and is scratch-resistant. Splash guard. The included T-fal splatter guard effectively reduces oil and grease splatters. Made from high-quality stainless steel, is built to last and is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Check latest price. Visit the description link. Number 3. Steel splatter guard is designed to handle high heat while keeping splatters at bay. The mesh is finely woven for maximum protection, and the adjustable handle provides an ergonomic hold. It fits most standard frying pans, offering exceptional coverage and safety during frying. Best for durability and premium build. Check latest price. Visit the description link. Number 2. T-fal stainless steel splatter screen. The T-fal stainless steel splatter screen is made with high-quality stainless steel mesh and is designed to prevent hot oil splashes from making a mess in the kitchen. Its large diameter offers ample coverage for large pans. The ergonomic handle features a soft touch design for comfort, and the screen is dishwasher safe. Best for large frying pans and easy handling. Check latest price. Visit the description link. Number 1. Skillet Kitchen Splatter Guard. The Skillet Kitchen Splatter Guard is a great budget-friendly option made from premium stainless steel mesh. It offers excellent protection against hot oil and grease splatter, helping keep your stovetop clean. The silicone covered handle ensures a safe, non-slip grip and is designed to fit most frying pans. It's also dishwasher safe for convenience. Best for budget-conscious consumers without compromising on quality. Check latest price. Visit the description link.